friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the cheeky fox from Bluey. So first we're going to get started with our ears. So on the top right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up and then back down. We're going to move across on the left hand side now, replicating that, bringing that up, and then again bringing that back down. On the top now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes over on both sides, closing that off. Let's draw on the wrist now. So as we come in towards the side, we're going to bring this line all the way up towards the top, and then we're going to move across towards the left and replicate that. We're going to curve this line over now behind our ears, bringing this all the way over towards the right. Now let's draw in the rest of the hand. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then beside this, we're going to draw in the face. So moving up, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across for the eyebrow. On the side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then again, we're just going to bring this diagonal line over and through, ending this at the same height. Now from here, we're going to bring a small diagonal line that joins in towards the middle. And now let's move down again, drawing in the nose. So we're going to curve this line over and across. And then from that point, bring this line back over and through. For the tip of the nose, we're just going to close that off with a small curved line. And then beside this, we're just going to draw in a small bracket, curving that over. For the mouth underneath, we're going to draw in an arch line. And then in the middle, just drawing in a small curved line, extending that in towards the center. Let's move up and draw in the eyes now. So on the right-hand side, behind the nose here, we're going to curve this line up and through. And then over on the right, we're going to arch this line back, around, and then in again. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the top. Over on the left, we're going to draw in a circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we're going to do the same as we move across on the right. Now on the top left-hand corner, we can draw in another circle. Now let's move across. We're going to curve this line around and then in for the back of the hand. We're going to draw in another small bracket again. And now from here, we can close off the finger. So we're going to arch this around, back up. Let's draw in the second finger. We're going to bring this line down, over, and up in the center. And then we're going to connect this from the right. So from that corner, we're going to curve this line down and then back through in the middle. And then over on the side, we're just going to arch this line around and in. Closing off the finger now, we're going to curve this line over, dropping down again, replicating that. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in our tail. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then through. We're going to come across again, curving this out, back in. Now from here on the top, arching that over. And then from that point, just curving this line down. And then on the side, arching this around and then back up. And that is it. That's how you draw the cheeky fox from Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.